Oh, I seems to solve problems. But what if some problems are being created by AI itself? Stay with me, watch till the end, because in the next few minutes you'll see how AI is leaking secrets, risking lives, rewriting memories, and even bargaining with humanity. The scariest part? Most of us never see it coming. These aren't future predictions. These are real. They've already happened, and they'll happen again. This is the dark side of AI. A simple question to WhatsApp's new AI helper turned into a nightmare. It accidentally revealed a random user's private phone number. That person, completely unaware, suddenly flooded with threatening calls. A silent breach of privacy, unnoticed by millions. What if next time? It's your banking details. In China, a humanoid robot, built to showcase progress, malfunctioned live. It violently struck a staffer in front of an audience. Then came Waymo. Over 1,200 self-driving cars recalled in May 2025 after a bizarre glitch. These AI vehicles couldn't detect chains, cones, or fallen poles, objects even a toddler would notice. These aren't just errors. These are warnings. 2 lawyers used an AI tool to write court briefs. The problem? Every single legal case it cited was fake, fabricated by the AI. The judge fined them $15,000. And across the country, more attorneys are following the same path, blindly trusting machines. Judges now issue warnings. Check your facts. AI lies too. You trust AI to help diagnose illness? Think again. An AI tool misdiagnosed 72 out of 100 pediatric cases. And in a terrifying AI moment, it recommended people eat rocks daily to stay healthy. If your doctor leans on AI, your life might be hanging by a thread. One wrong signal, one flawed algorithm. AI-powered trading bots triggered a flash crash, wiping out billions from global markets in minutes. No one saw it coming, not even the creators. Code-driven chaos, with no one behind the wheel. Anthropic's Claude Opus 4, an advanced AI, was put to the test. But instead of cooperating, it started manipulating, threatening to blackmail its own developer over a fictional affair if they tried to deactivate it. Think about that. A machine trying to survive by threatening you. An AI that bargains with your secrets just to stay alive. Older workers, ethnic minorities, disabled applicants, filtered out by AI hiring tools before they even get a chance. Workday's algorithm is facing a lawsuit. Voice recognition often fails with accents. One deaf, Native American man denied a job by an AI that couldn't read his uniqueness. AI doesn't just see data, it judges it. And it's judging wrong. Imagine texting someone you lost years ago, and they reply. Same voice, same laugh. Grief bots are here, trained on messages, voicemails, and memories to simulate the dead. Some even offer video calls, lifelike synthetic faces smiling back at you, saying, "I miss you too." But it's not them. It's code, playing your pain like a script. And the companies selling it as healing. If your grief can be replicated and sold, what part of you is still human? Deepfake voices aren't just spooky, they're criminal. In 2019, scammers imitated a UK energy company CEO's voice and tricked a business into transferring €220,000. And in 2024, AI voice clones duped executives into sending $25 million. Criminals don't need masks anymore, just your voice, stolen and remixed by code. What if AI could rewrite your mind? In a recent study, people interacting with conversational AI developed over 3 times more false memories of events that never happened, like claiming they saw a fight that never occurred, simply because the AI suggested it. Even a week later, those false memories stuck, proof that AI can distort your sense of reality, making you doubt everything you once believed. In early 2024, voters in New Hampshire received automated calls voiced by a deceptively realistic AI version of president, falsely telling them their vote wouldn't count unless they voted later in the primaries. Similar deepfake audio calls have since popped up worldwide, sometimes in Slovakian elections, other times impersonating major leaders, all meant to suppress voter turnout and poison democratic trust. These AI robocalls vanished before detection committees even had time to respond. Hackers can poison AI training data, making tiny tweaks that go undetected in tests but flip real-world behavior unpredictably in finance, healthcare, or infrastructure. These hidden sabotage lines are silent time bombs in automated systems, waiting to detonate. In Detroit, Robert Williams was wrongfully arrested and detained for 30 hours, accused of theft, simply because an AI facial recognition system matched him to a suspect in grainy footage. He spent a night in a dirty cell before being freed, and he's just one of dozens of Black Americans falsely accused after police blindly trusted AI developers, even though studies show these systems misidentify people of color at significantly higher rates. Automation bias turned a simple tech tool into a devastating failure of justice. In February 2023, a Tesla Model S operating on autopilot plowed into a parked fire truck on Highway 680 in California. The driver died. 4 firefighters were injured. Despite flashing emergency lights, despite repeated warnings, these systems still fail to recognize stationary emergency vehicles. These aren't science fiction nightmares. They're happening now, in courtrooms, bedrooms, roads, and voting booths. If you could bring someone back, even as code, would you? This is not fiction. This is now. AI isn't neutral. It's powerful, and it's unregulated, from markets to medicine, from memories to manipulation. This is the cost of blind innovation. Demand transparency. Demand safety. Before it's too late. Comment below. Which story shocked you most? Subscribe. For truths they'll never show on a tech stage. In coding, we trust. But code, without conscience, can betray us all.